What is good, everyone? It's DSG Panther here. Today we're actually going to get more tints on my Polo GTI 6C, and we actually are going to Just Tints. You can follow them here. As you know, we always go to Just Tints wherever we need something tinting, and now today it's going to be at the front. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you will find out once we get to Just Tints, and it's going to make the car look so much more aggressive, hopefully, because I'm going for the stealth look, as you all know. So hopefully it's going to look so much better, because I kind of feel like the front needs a bit more aggression, because on the back you've got the diffuser and on the front there's not really much. So yeah, but yeah, let's get into it. Also, don't forget to follow my new business adventure, which is DSG Mods. We are going to be doing all custom, fully custom, all by myself, DSG, well, Polo GTI mods for firstly, and then we're going to be dropping Golf GTI, then Golf R, and then we'll be moving into the Audi S3s, the Audi RS3s, and then we'll be doing like TTSs and Scirocco Rs and all kinds of stuff. But yeah, make sure you go and follow that. It's not actually out right now. We're going to be dropping it next month or March. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's get into the intro and then hop on our way to Just Tints.
High performance, not a Ferrari. RS3 Remax is nasty. We'll crash for the hardest door. 4-man up in the RS4.
Alright guys, we're now at Dylan's. We're just going to get him and then we're going on our way to Just Tints. Alright guys, so we're now at Just Tints. We're just going to go inside, get the tint done, and then I'll cut to you guys once we've got a drink and we're going to get some other stuff, stack up and that. But yeah, without further ado, let's go and get some food, and then we'll come back to the car once it's all done. Follow Just Tints here. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we're now in McDonald's and I've got cheese and bacon flatbread. But yeah, we are going to eat this food, and then after that we're going to walk back to Just Tints, their new shop. I'm not going to show the outside because I don't think it's ready yet. But yeah, it's a good area. If you want to go and follow their Instagram, make sure to go follow it here. It will be all here, Just Tints, South London. But yeah, let's walk back. We'll eat our food, then walk back, and then we'll see what the tints look like. We are actually getting headlight tints and fog light tints, so hopefully it looks good. And I'm also going to get some photos at Blue Water for Instagram as well. My Instagram is here, DSG Panther. But yeah, cut to us walking back. Cool bro, so people, the car is ready. We're going to go pick it up. Yeah, this is just in front of us, about a 2-minute walk, so let's go get it. Alright guys, there you can see my car is literally just there for them. It's getting done. We're gonna go and get it, and hopefully it looks good. Alright guys, so the car is all done. We are literally gonna get into it, show you what the fog lights and the headlights look like. It's looking so cold right now. So without further ado, let's get into the cinematics and show you what the headlights and the fog lights look like. Alright guys, we are now at Blue Water. As you can see, this is what the tint looks like. It's a bit yellowy for now, but I think it will go down once it's just settled in that. But yes, I think this is only like 70% or 50% tint on the headlights, and then down here this is the 50% or 25% tint on the fog lights. So as you can see, it looks a lot more aggressive. It's a lot more darker as well, which is what I needed, because obviously I'm trying to go out with a stealth look. So definitely looks so much better with these tints on it. Just need to get the eyelids back on, because you had to take the eyelid off here obviously so you could tint it. But nah, definitely looks 100% better. Alright guys, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This has been the video on the fog light tints and the headlight tints. If you do want to go and follow Just Tints, the Instagram will be here. They have opened a new shop in, is it Bexley or Bexley Heath? Cool. They've opened a new shop in Bexley Heath, so if you want to go and follow their new page, it will be down here. Anything you need tinting wise, just go and hit them up. They've got Comedian, anything you need tinting wise. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DSG Panther, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.